Get restaurant-quality rotisserie magic at home with the Quest 34020 electric rotisserie grill, a freestanding marvel that turns kebabs, skewers, and whole joints into feast-worthy perfection. With a 21-litre capacity and 1,500 watts, it cooks upright so fats strip away, while a folding glass door keeps a watchful eye on progress. A 60-minute timer and automatic shutoff add real safety, making every meal easy, quick, and utterly delicious. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Step into a healthier way to cook with Baridi Vertical 360 Rotisserie Smokeless Grill, the ultimate in versatility. From kebabs and gyros to whole chickens, fish and vegetables, the independent skewers and rotisserie spit deliver perfect, even cooking in a spacious 21-litre oven. A sliding glass door, 60-minute timer, auto shutoff and drip tray keep things simple, while a powerful 1,500 watts means tasty results at a fraction of the cost. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Experience grilling perfection with the Shalon Electric 1500W 360-degree rotating 21L rotisserie grill, the ultimate companion for doner kebabs, skewers, and roasts. Its generous 21-litre capacity and a powerful 1,500 revolutions per minute rotisserie deliver even cooking, while 14 skewers, a sliding glass door, and a drip pan make preparation and cleanup a breeze. Safety is sky high with a 60-minute timer and auto shutoff, and blue LED indicators keep you in the know. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Step into the kitchen of professionals with this 2,400-watt shawarma grill machine, a vertical rotisserie that spins a whole kebab to perfection, while 360-degree heat seals in flavor. Dual zone control locks in precise temperatures up to 300 degrees, delivering fast, even cooking with virtually no smoke. Its generous 20 pounds of capacity and anti-oil leakage design make catering and parties effortless. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Craving kebabs any night of the week? Meet the Quest 2-in-1 skewers and kebab maker, a compact grill that lets you roast vertically for evenly cooked meat and vegetables. With a 60-minute timer, removable surface for easy cleaning, and included skewers, you can whip up delicious skewers in minutes. It's simple, efficient, and perfect for family dinners or entertaining friends. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Elevate your kitchen with a stainless steel rotisserie basket cage roaster drum, a versatile companion for nuts, coffee beans, and even tea drying. Its 12 cm by 22 cm footprint fits up to 900 grams, while a robust design stays durable, deform resistant, and anti-rust. With a full 360-degree rotation, every item enjoys uniform heating for richer flavors and crisper results. Perfect for roasting coffee beans, toasting peanuts, or drying herbs, it's the smart pick for oven evenings and casual barbecues. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment. Experience restaurant-quality shawarma at home with the FootChoice Shawarma Grill Machine. Powered by 3,000 watts, it delivers infrared heat and a continuous 2-burner setup for even cooking across a 6-kilogram load, while the 90-degree honeycomb heat and a full 360-degree rotation guarantee perfectly seared doner kebab every time. With 8 kilograms of capacity, heat dissipation that lasts, and a sturdy stainless steel build, it's ideal for parties and home kitchens alike. You've got the purchase link in the description and the pinned comment.